Welcome. Today we will walk you through the process of sending a photo with text on Messenger Group on your PC with the latest updates. Let's follow these steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening messenger.com on your web browser. Simply type the URL in the address bar and hit Enter to access Messenger. Step 2. Open any group chat on Messenger that you want to share a photo with text in. Click on the group chat to enter the conversation. Step 3. Look for the photo and video icon located at the bottom of the chat window next to the text box. If you cannot see these options, click on the plus symbol next to the text box to reveal additional options. Step 4. Select the photo you wish to send by clicking on it. Then, click on the Open button to attach the photo to your message. Step 5. Write the desired note or message to accompany the photo. Once you have composed your message, click on the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard to send the message. By following these steps, you can easily share photos with text in Messenger group chats on your PC, enhance your group conversations, share moments, and stay connected with your group members through engaging visuals and messages. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a photo with text on Messenger Group on PC. Keep your group interactions lively, express yourself creatively, and make your group chats more interactive. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Explore the new features and functionalities of Messenger group chats for a richer messaging experience.